So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment entrepreneurship, week 10, assignment 10. So, the first question is India's advantage in entrepreneurship has to lie in its national entrepreneurial cultural, which should holistically comprise. So, these are the options individual passion, family support, social collectivism, all of the above. So, the answer of our first question is D, all of the above. Now, let's go to our question number two. Corporations can improve national entrepreneurship culture by a set of measures. So these are the options. Investing in entrepreneurial companies, directing CSR for social entrepreneurship, setting up incubators and accelerators, all the above. So the answer for our second question is D, all the above. Now let's go to our question number three. To embed entrepreneurship in curriculum, one way could be to stabilize national educational missions that holistically involve. So these are the option, and the answer for our third question is also D, all of the above. Now let's go to our question number four. Which of the following is a socially responsive entrepreneurship program? If an employee is encouraged to set up a startup for hint, more than one right answer exists. So these are the option, and the answer of our fourth question is also all of the above. Now let's go to our question number fifth. The most common type of organization for a startup in the initial years is. So these are the option: functional organization, product organization, SBU organization, matrix organization. So the answer of our fifth question is A, functional organization. Now let's go to our question number six. Matrix organization is usually resorted to by. So these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is B, multinational corporations. Now let's go to our question number seven. Which management expert enunciated 14 principles of management? So these are the option, and the answer for our seventh question is C, Henry Fayol. Now let's go to our question number eight. Entrepreneurs are rendered more distinctive by. So these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is C, fusion of passion and energy. Now let's go to our question number nine. Entrepreneurial organizations when compared to bureaucratic organizations have. So these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is A, higher entropy. Now let's go to our question number 10. Which of the following vocations is more entrepreneurial in nature? So these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is D, planning a wedding event. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.